And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friends, I say it clear, I state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived that's full, I've traveled in every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way.
Regrets I had of you, but then again too few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through without extension. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this. I did it my way.
Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I did all more than I could.
But through it all, when there was none, I did it all and spit it all. I felt it all, and I stood tall
and did it
my way. I've loved and cried. I've had my fill, my share of losing.
And now I still subside. I find it all so amusing.
The thing I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way.
Oh no, not me. I did it my way.
For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has enough to say the things he truly feels, and that the one who kneels that can show. I took the blow and did it my Yes, it was my way. Thank you, Yoga.